As a cat owner, you want to make sure that your feline friend is happy and comfortable. While cats are known for their independent and aloof personalities, they can still feel uncomfortable and stressed in certain situations. Knowing the actions that cats don't like can help you provide a safe and stress-free environment for your pet. Now, we will discuss 10 common actions that cats don't like and explain why these actions can be stressful for them. By avoiding these actions, you can help ensure that your cat is always happy, healthy, and comfortable. Number 10. Strong scents. Cats have a strong sense of smell and can be overwhelmed by strong scents. Avoid using strong perfumes, cleaning products, or other scented items around your cat. This can cause your cat to become stressed and may even lead to respiratory problems. Instead, use natural and unscented cleaning products in your home. If you must use scented products, do so in a well-ventilated area away from your cat. Number 9. Ignoring their personal space. Cats are independent creatures and enjoy their personal space. Avoid invading your cat's personal space, such as picking them up or holding them when they don't want to be held. This can cause your cat to become stressed and anxious, and may even lead to aggression. In addition, cats may not enjoy sudden movements or surprises, as this can startle them and cause fear or anxiety. This can be especially true for cats that are easily frightened or nervous. Number 8. Forcing affection. While cats may enjoy affection, they don't like it when it's forced. Avoid forcing affection on your cat, such as petting them too much. This can cause your cat to become stressed and anxious. Instead, let your cat come to you for affection. When your cat approaches you, give them gentle pets and scratches. If your cat doesn't want to be petted, respect their wishes and give them some space. At the same time, make sure to spend quality time with your cat every day, playing with toys, brushing their fur, or just sitting together and relaxing. This can help strengthen your bond and prevent behavioral problems. Number 7. Loud noises. Cats have sensitive hearing and can be easily startled by loud noises. Avoid making loud noises around your cat, such as slamming doors or playing music too loudly. This can cause your cat to become stressed and anxious. If you live in a noisy environment, such as a busy street, consider providing your cat with a safe and quiet place to retreat to, such as a quiet room or a cozy bed. Providing your cat with a safe space can help them feel more secure and reduce their stress levels. Number 6. Changing routines. Cats are creatures of habit and thrive on routine. Sudden changes in their routine can cause stress and anxiety, which can lead to behavioral problems. Common changes that can affect cats include moving to a new home, changes in their feeding or litter box schedule, and changes in the household dynamic, such as the arrival of a new pet or family member. To minimize stress and help your cat adjust to changes, try to maintain a consistent routine as much as possible. If you need to make changes, do so gradually and over a period of time. Number 5. Rough play. Cats love to play, but they don't like rough play. Rough play can be stressful and uncomfortable for cats, and it can even cause injury. Playing too roughly with your cat can make them feel scared or aggressive. Instead, focus on gentle play and provide your cat with appropriate toys to play with. Some good toy options for cats include interactive toys like fishing pole toys, laser pointers, and puzzle toys. These toys are designed to mimic natural hunting behavior and can help keep your cat entertained and engaged. Also, make sure to observe your cat's body language and behavior, and learn to recognize when they are showing signs of stress or discomfort. This can help you avoid situations that may cause your cat to feel uncomfortable or unhappy. Number 4. Bathing. While some cats may enjoy being bathed, most cats do not. Bathing can be stressful for cats and may even lead to injury if not done properly. Cats are able to groom themselves and generally do not require baths. However, if your cat gets into something dirty or smelly, or if they have a skin condition that requires bathing, make sure to use a cat-specific shampoo and avoid getting water or soap in their eyes, ears, or nose. It is also important to make sure your cat is comfortable during the bath. Use lukewarm water and speak to your cat in a calm and reassuring voice. If your cat becomes stressed or agitated, stop the bath immediately. Number 3. Dirty litter box. Cats are clean animals and require a clean litter box to use. A dirty litter box can cause your cat to become stressed and may even lead to health problems. Make sure to clean your cat's litter box regularly, at least once a day, to keep it free from waste and odor. Replace the litter completely once a week. Also, make sure to place the litter box in a quiet and private location that your cat can easily access. Number 2. Punishment. Punishing your cat for bad behavior can be stressful and counterproductive. Instead, focus on positive reinforcement and reward your cat for good behavior. Punishment can cause your cat to become fearful of you and may even lead to aggressive behavior. If your cat is engaging in unwanted behavior, try redirecting their attention to something more appropriate. For example, if your cat is scratching the furniture, provide them with a scratching post or pad. When your cat uses the scratching post, reward them with treats and praise. Number 1. Overfeeding. Overfeeding is a common problem among cat owners. While it may seem like you are showing your cat love by giving them extra food or treats, overfeeding can actually be harmful to their health. Obesity is a serious health issue for cats and can lead to a number of health problems, such as diabetes, heart disease, and joint pain. In addition, overfeeding can also lead to digestive problems, such as vomiting and diarrhea. To avoid overfeeding your cat, follow the feeding instructions on their food packaging and give them only the recommended portion size. Avoid giving your cat too many treats, as they can be high in calories. If you are concerned about your cat's weight, talk to your veterinarian about developing a healthy feeding plan. In conclusion, by avoiding these actions, you can help ensure that your cat is always happy, healthy, and comfortable. By providing your cat with a safe and stress-free environment, you can help them live a long and happy life. So, be sure to pay attention to your cat's needs and always treat them with love and respect.